Hi, I just wanted to show you my large pot bucket grown onions, container grown onions. Haven't got a lot of room in the garden for growing onions really. I've got shallots out there, tend to plant those out, but I just grow some onions in buckets in a multi-purpose compost, and it gives you quite a good supply. It's really easy, hardly need any looking after, really great. Get 2 shots at planting them, once from sets or seeds in the spring. And like these were planted at the end of October, so autumn sown sets, autumn planted sets. Plant them as thickly as you can in the pot, so there's probably about 40-50 onions in here, and then you can pull the first ones as spring onions, use them as spring onions. This is a nice red onion called Electric. This is a white onion called Autumn Champion. Yeah, pull them initially as I say spring onions, leave the rest to grow on, and then you'll find that you won't harvest massive bulbs, but they will grow a decent size for use in the kitchen. You don't always want massive onions, do you, in the kitchen? You just want smaller ones that you can eat all in one go. All they need, plenty of water, and I give them a tomato fertiliser now and again when I'm feeding other things. Particularly, we're filming this sort of beginning, middle of May, so I'll be giving these some extra feed now just to give them a boost and get them to really bulb up, which they will do in the next few weeks. But otherwise, good easy way to grow onions when you haven't got a lot of space.